What's up guys, Manuela Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to share with you another way that you can earn $100 over and over again simply sharing a number and a link. Okay, very simple. But before we get into the bulk of this video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Basically on my YouTube channel I talk about ways that you can make money from home, whether that be affiliate marketing, referring other people to a product, or if you're looking for something that doesn't have a startup investment. I share a lot of those things where you can, the resources you can go to find legit work from home jobs. Okay, so if any of that resonates with you, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I do drop another video. Okay, so guys, as I always start out telling you guys, I know people are always on different types of budgets. Some people may not be able to invest. That's why I like to do a variety of different types of videos. I try to provide you with things that I know I've used myself and I've made money from, or if I'm in something such as Appen or anything like that, I always want to show you guys things that are legit and where I'm having success with. But today, today I'm going to talk about a program that does have a low cost investment, and this is for someone who is, either in a business, they want to start a business, or they're just looking for that supplemental income. Okay, especially with the economy as it is right now, a lot of people are hurting and they need, even if it's $100 a day, whatever the case may be, that would help put food on the table. Okay, so this program I actually just signed up for yesterday. It's called Textbot. Basically what Textbot is, it's a virtual assistant. Okay, so it's going to do the work for you. Once you just bring someone to the phone number, it does all the follow-up for you. It asks the questions for you. If the person is truly interested in whatever this product is or whatever your other business is, it's going to basically walk the person through the steps. They answer yes or no, I'm interested. Okay, yes, I'm interested. Okay, here's the info. Let's go through the process. So it's cutting out all of that work on the front end of being rejected. Number one, you don't have to worry about talking to anybody on the phone. So this is a great tool if you're in the market for another business, if you want some additional income, or if you're new to any kind of business. This is a great way to start something new and earn those unlimited $100 bills. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Again, like I said, and I'll drop my links and my phone number in the description of the video. And I always want to disclose that, yes, with this, I myself will earn a $100 commission. Just as I'm explaining to you guys, the more people you bring into it, you're going to get the same $100. Okay, so this is an affiliate offer that I'm referring other people to. Okay, so basically when you pay your $100, I would get a notification. And there's multiple ways for me and you to receive your income. We get paid by Cash App, Google Pay, Venmo, PayPal. There's so many ways to get paid, and it's instant. Okay, as soon as you send your money, I get a notification, and I'm able to say, okay, he is paid, and I can get them access to the system. So you would basically get us an email, auto-generated email. You have to create your own user login and all that good stuff. And I just wanted to show you an overview of the back office. I'm not going to go through everything in here, but I'm going to highlight it. Okay, so this is your dashboard. You basically get your unique link. So this is the link that you'll be sharing with other people. And then you'll also get access to a phone number. So this is the phone number. Very cool, because if I were to post this on Craigslist, which is, one of the advertising methods that I will be using, a lot of times Craigslist is strict on links. So I could just pop this number right into my ad, and the person will call the number. It will guide them through and tell them, this is what this is about. Do you want to proceed? They'll get a text message. They'll follow the prompt. So it does everything for you, such as a virtual assistant should be doing. Okay, her name is Ava. So basically you would utilize these basically tools to start going out and promoting this. Okay, you will have to set up a usage balance. So when you do start texting and things like that, and plus it's for this phone number that you're getting. This, is basically, I think you can start as low as $10. And I think it's as high as 50. Okay, to get started. So This will give you all your stats. Again, I just started this yesterday. I kind of tested it a little bit with some of my own traffic that I have, but I'm going to start purchasing some other traffic. Now, guys, if you're an affiliate marketer, you already know what I'm talking about. For the newbies out here, when you're in a business, you have to invest. Okay, this is an investment. You know, you invested $100 to get this platform. You want to start using it so that way you can recoup your $100. Okay, don't just sit there and be one of those people that purchases something and then you don't even use it at all. That's wasting money. Okay, so think about that. You know, as you go through. But there's a lot of different ways to do traffic to this site. Basically, solo ads is a good way to do it. That's another topic. If you're not familiar with that, you know, put a comment in the video description and I'll reach out to you on that. But there's so many ways to go ahead and market this thing. So basically, if you had any pending payments, if someone again said they sent you a payment and you would go under here and then you would go, okay, yeah, I received it. Now they can have access. Click one step. I got your money. You're good. We're good to go. This is where you can set up custom keywords so that Ava knows how to respond to the people that are coming into the system. If there's training in here as well, training videos for you to walk you through the process of that whole the setup in this is just so simple. There's really nothing much you need to do. Just the whole point of this is just to start driving traffic to it. Let's see, leads, any kind of leads, they'll come into here. Resellers, again, pending payments, your commissions, your team, once your people start coming in, your links, the links are right here in the front. Resources. Okay, this is where it gets good. So under here are some scripts. Basically it's ad copy. There's emails. I personally already have a list, so I market to the people already on my list. Okay, I've built up, and so I email them daily. And I'm crafty with it. They have them already in here set up for you to use. You just stick your link or your phone number in there and you just send that list away. And that way the people will come in and, you start getting your leads. Okay. Guys, also remember, I don't promote quick, get rich quick schemes. You have to learn with this business. Some people get so excited. Oh, I'm going to start making $100. Well, the key to it is it's a numbers game. It is definitely a numbers game. So the idea is to put this in front of as many people as you can. The more people you get it in front of, the likelihood is you're going to get a sale. So it's all a numbers game. So don't get discouraged when you get it and you don't see anything. I've been in this for 4 or 5 years now. And it takes you a minute, unless you've been in the game for a while, to start seeing some results. You just have to come in and just go for it and just be consistent with what you're doing. Okay. I get so many people always coming back to me. I haven't gotten sales yet. Well, again, it's a numbers game. I can provide you with resources that will, you can use to get people seeing this. That's not a problem. I have many resources. As a matter of fact, I will drop another link to another resource that I'm using right now to get leads daily. Okay. I'm going to do another video on that as well. So there's so many things you guys can use to get people to see this offer. Go to your social media. If you're on Instagram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I already had someone retweet this yesterday. So there's so many ways, and all that ad copy is in here as well. There's ads. See, ads. This is for social media for you to post. It's got a picture. You put the picture up with the text. Go for it. Okay. So there's so many ways to market this. Just come in, take a look around, be open to it. Like I said in the beginning, you can actually market this just as it is. This is a business. So if you just want to market this and say, hey, this is my business and I'm going to get $100, when you come in, or you can add your other business within this platform. That way, once they come in the front end, they're going to see that you have another business that you can actually also market as well. Okay. So it's pretty simple. The owner pretty much kept this a really simple, user-friendly, newbie-friendly system from what I can see. There's only a few little areas over here to go into. Again, wanted to keep this video really short. Again, I'm going to drop my link. Again, I'll drop this link and my phone number down below. You can actually just click on the link or call the number. Ava's going to walk you through the process of getting started with this. Once you send your $100 payment, I receive it, you get access to the system. And basically it's a rinse and repeat process. You're going to do the same thing that I'm doing. Again, I'm going to drop a resource below. I'm going to do a video to this resource that you can use to actually get leads every day, so you can start marketing this too as well. Again, think outside the box. You don't always have to be online to market these things. You know, you can actually do postcards or something like this. You can actually do, like I said, Craigslist I'm going to do. So just think out the side of the box a little bit. But that's all I wanted to say about this program right here, guys. I hope that this provides you with some value. If you're a business owner, I highly suggest this. If you're an affiliate marketing or an affiliate marketer, definitely take advantage of this, okay? So guys, if you have any comments or questions for me, go ahead and leave them down below and I will get back with you on that. But that's pretty much it, guys. You can also visit my website that's actually going to be scrolling across the screen somewhere here, ManuelaVincent.com. Okay, that'll also lead you to another income opportunity that I'm in, which I will be talking about soon as well. But take it easy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.